Hey, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I have the biggest iPad which is Apple made. Look at this. This is a big screen. So look at this. So the screen is broken on there. You can see this one and it has chipped here, so we need to make it straight too. So let's start working on it. So I put the anti-slip mat so it make my work easy. So let's open on the sides. So it's a big screen. I have to check what's going on inside. So it has a tape right there. So on the corner we can just easily remove from there. See, I just want to make sure first what's going on with this. So just remove this, and from bottom too. And what I know, it has a couple of connector in the middle of the iPad, so I think we are safe to work on the corners, but it's still it's very look at this. It has a double-sided tab on the corners, so for no connector on the sides. So let's disconnect and see what happened. So I'm able to open it, and oh, this part is still, sorry, I just did 3 parts, so that's the fourth one, and fourth side I mean. Just remove this one here. Here we go. So this one, or 1 2 3, there are 3 connectors, maybe you can see in this video. The 1 2 and here the 3 connector. Let's see how we can open it. So just take a little bit slide here, you'll find these couple of screws. So unscrew those, you'll see, and it is, you can easily disconnect this thing. So the one connector are disconnected, and let's see the other one. So now you can easily move. You see there are a couple of connectors which is right there, so you have to disconnect from here, and other one goes here. So let's open. So this is connector, or you can just move here, just remove this thing. It has no tape, nothing, so it has a couple of screws here, and then this. So you need to disconnect these 2 connector. You'll find there is a couple of, look, flexes. So one actually attached with this, and the other one with the screen. I mean, one is detachable, and this thing has 2 connector in the one flex. So now you can just take out the screen. Just put this screen aside for a moment. So here is a new screen. Look at this, 12.9, and the packet actually bigger than the MacBook. So as you can see, this is the one connector. Remove this, remove this. So these 2 connectors, the one flex, I need to take it out from the old screen.
Here for more than 2 years. S7, 6.
So this connector, I took it from the old screen. So let's put it to the new screen. So the new screen is ready. Look at this, is one connector, this is a couple of connectors, and this is the top one. Let's put on the motherboard. So after connected all connectors, after the screw, let's put this back here. Now it's time to connect this thing. All this connector into a little tilt your iPad and just connect here, and then again slide a little bit and you'll find this connector. It was turning on, but now I think it's not enough juice. So while it's charging, let's back. So now it turns on, and let's see the touch is working. Yes, it is perfectly fine. So let's pack the final. So after removing all it has a tape, it's kind of odd. Only a line from the one edge, and I can see the one edge and then the other edge. Then the all sides are automatically set. See that? You'll see this. It's working. Touch is working. Thank Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the next video.